In today's video, we'll be talking about the Instagram getting crashed after its new update. So if this is a problem you're facing after the new update of Instagram and the Instagram keeps on crashing on your iPhone, this video is for you. So before we start, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So first, what I recommend you do is just long press on your Instagram and just remove the app. You can delete the app and reinstall it. So you can go to your app store and just search for Instagram and just install it back again. Now you can also just go to Instagram and check for any update, and the only thing you can do is just wait for a new update of Instagram, and after the new update your problem will get fixed. So that is basically all for the video, guys. That is the only tricks that will help you from keeping your Instagram from crashing. Thank you for watching. That is all. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.